All right, welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures. Today, I'm a little late to the game. We have Cheetos pretzel review today. Yeah, and so I saw a few reviews earlier, and I was like, I've got to try those. We love pretzels. We love Cheetos. Do they Cheeto pretzel? We're about to find out. And on top of finding them, which were a little difficult to find, they're not on the chip aisle. They're in a PDQ out in the middle of the aisle somewhere. So we got Cheetos, just a regular Cheeto flavor pretzels here. Way more fun, it says. Pretzels just got way more fun. Look at that. Pretty fancy bag. Yeah, it says pretzel side and a Cheeto side. So let's look and see what we got first if it's regular. Now I like pretzels and I like Cheetos. So first of all, smell of the bag, that's approved. Look at that. Let's pour some out here. Looks like a good party favor snack. Trying to put it where you guys could see it. There you go. Let's see here. Well, we've kind of got you've got a Cheeto side and a pretzel side. Now, kind of tastes like number one, you can't go into these thinking that they're soft because their pretzels are hard, right? And then it just looks like they feathered on some Cheeto powder on the back of some pretzels. I mean, you get the Cheeto flavor, of course, but it's not like wow, right? Good. I mean, the pretzel's good, the Cheeto's good. Would I eat these at a party? Absolutely. I like them. So I rate all my stuff 1 through 10. I would give these regular Cheeto flavored pretzels, I give it about a 7. Yeah, about a 7 all day. So they're a good standard snack. They're not gross. I mean, it's just not wow, right? So, and then on top of that, we had a little bit of extra. We have Cheetos pretzels Flaming Hot. Flaming Hot Cheeto pretzels. So, why not? We're here, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's some violence coming out of this bag. Woo, look at that. That's hot. Holy moly. Look at that. Now, that pretzel is completely covered in flaming hot. I mean, unlike the regular pretzel, Cheeto pretzel, like this one's pretzel and it's got Cheeto powder on the back. This is covered completely. Look at that. Wow. All right. And here it goes. I'm going to pour some out. Nope. Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Oh yeah. They got a nice kick to them. Now, these are amazing. They have tons of flavor. Of course, that Flamin' Hott's kicking. My mouth is just watering right now and wanting more. It goes really well with the pretzel. Wow. So, I'm impressed. If you like hot stuff, if you like this Flamin' Hott product that's coming out, I would say this would be, I mean, I give this an 8.5 all day. It's great. The flavor is awesome. It does not disappoint in the Flaming Hot product. Yeah, so I give this an 8.5. I mean, look at that. They're hot, but they're delicious. And, you know, Cheetos, regular Cheetos, you know, it's a good snack. Probably help put the heat out from the Flamin'. Woo! Yeah, they look good in a ball. So, anyway, I give it a 7 on this and an 8.5 on the Flamin' Hot Pretzels. That's my review. I hope you guys, a lot more reviews are coming up, so check those out. Check my shorts out for places I go eat with my wife, and if you like those, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.